Okay, let's look at quadratic inequalities and discriminant. Okay, I'm just going to talk about a few questions. Okay, some of the questions that are more generally more important. All right. Okay, starting with question 2. Okay, find the values of the constant k for which y equals to kx squared plus 4x plus k minus 3 lies completely below the x-axis. Okay, so this sort of question, okay, what do we need to understand? Okay, since it lies completely below the x-axis, the only way that it can look like is like this, okay, because this is a quadratic curve, so it must look like this, right? Lies below the x-axis, okay, something along this curve, right? Okay, so when this happens, you notice that the curve doesn't intersect the x-axis. So if the curve doesn't intersect the x-axis, it means that there are no real roots. So if there are no real roots, okay, will lead to, okay, negative discriminant. All right, so y equals to kx squared plus 4x plus k minus 3, a equals to k, b equals to 4, c equals to k minus 3. Okay, since the b squared minus 4ac must be less than 0, okay, that means that 4 squared minus 4k k minus 3 must be less than 0. Okay, expanding in negative 4k squared plus 12k plus 16 is less than 0. So that will be divided by negative 4 k squared, okay, minus 3k plus 4, okay, must be more than 0 because we changed the sign, right? So then we'll have, sorry, minus 4, okay, minus 4 is greater than 0. So we'll have k minus 4, okay, or k plus 1 greater than 0. Okay, so then we will know that, okay, the critical points are negative 1 and 4. This is a smiley face. This is positive, negative, positive. Okay, so since we want greater than 0, therefore k must be either greater than 4 or k must be lesser than negative 1. No, but we need to understand that this is a set face, right? A set quadratic curve, which means that the a value, okay, which the a value must be less than 0 for it to be a sad face. If a is greater than 0, it's actually a happy face. Okay, it will actually look like this. Okay, so then it's not this scenario, right? Okay, so therefore we have to reject, okay, k is greater than 4, or k can only be negative, right? So this is the answer. Okay, find the values of the constant k. K must be lesser than negative 1. Okay.